Emakhosini, ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya, nina idalwa zikamvelincane, nina ingane zethongo, and you visitors to this channel. Umcrusader lo, Improfeti uShamun owathuma ingilosi ezesibhakabhaka, welcoming you guys to another episode of Kemi TV. Bagwethu, before I go too far, hit that notification bell. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. If you've subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you can get alerts whenever a new episode comes out that is full of spiritually rich knowledge, that is full of guidance, and that is a university of knowledge which you don't have to pay for. In line with one of our previous episodes about family members, about being bewitched, about spiritual attacks, we need to now help people recognize uma bathakathwa. Abanye abantu bayathakathwa bangazi ukuthi uyathakathwa, kodwa mina njengomprofeti mangihamba mangibheka ngiyezwa and izinto zami ziyakhuluma, abantu bami bayakhuluma ukuthi lo ushawa ngemithi. So let's put a video out there to help people distinguish and understand if it's a health issue, if it's a personal behavior issue, or if umuntu who is under the attack of midnight engineers. Right, you've been cursed and you do not even know it. 5 ways for you to recognize ukuthi ushawe ngemithi, ukuthi you're being cursed energetically, whether it's an auric curse or udlisiwe. There is a way to recognize. Now, impawu, if we were to summarize it, which would show is that you're trying very hard, but everything in your life is going wrong. Relationships, imali, friendships, no matter how much you try, zonke lezi zinto nje ziyale nale. Emsebenzini uthola ama-warning left, right and center, ama-warning ongawaqondisisi. You feel tired no matter how much you rest, ngoba ebusuku you are tussling, you are rumbling with midnight engineers. It might not just be bad luck, bagwethu. This might be impawu, it might be a waypointer of ukuthi you are under spiritual attack. You could be cursed and awazi nokwazi. So it isn't gonna make video without staying too long on each point, because this is a brief video. Ngifuna ukuthi nizuze lokho enizokuzuza kule video, niyibukele, nihambe niyobhula, nihambe niyotholisisa ukuthi okay, all 5 signs or 4 out of 5 or 3 signs are in line. Shuthi vele ngiyakala. Ngikhuluma nawe wena lapha ekhaya, wena obukile manje, shuthi vele wena uyakala. Makhosi 0611781304. If you feel that's the case, contact me. Sikusize, sikukhanyisele, sikubhule, sikuqondisele indlela, sikuhlambulule, sikugeze, sibhule inhlanhla zakho. Umcrusader is a traditional healer. I will help you. Makhosi. Sign number 1, chronic bad luck that doesn't make sense. Yo, Nkosi yami, I don't know how many people that I have met who are going through this. Ekseni uvuke abona ingathi ngabo 3, mangithi ekseni ngabo 3 4, uvuke abona ingathi kunengungumbane ezama ukugibela embedeni. Nkosi yami, washaqa. As if you saw a spirit, a negative entity trying to come into your bed, walking in the house, or you dreamt that there's an entity in the house and it's causing everything not to work out. Makhosi gogo. Now, things that should work out. Impawu ukuthi things that should work out ukuthi bowumele imali ukuthi ingene namhlanje kwaba ne-complication azange ingene. You aced your interview, they told you it's promising you're gonna get through, and the interview didn't go through. You and your partner were okay. Yonke into beyihamba kahle, and suddenly wakujikela umuntu waphuma kuwe. Everything that you plan and everything that you're involved with hits a dead end. Not once, not twice, no, consistently. Wahlala ufocusile mkhuluma, ubona ukuthi kuloko kuyayehlela, vula amehlo. Ubone nawe uhambe uyocacisa kahle kahle ukuthi lento engicabanga ukuthi yiyo na. This is often the first sign of that you've been spiritually blocked, using imithi, using a curse of whatever sort. Sometimes it's not only ukuba umuntu omnyama. Sometimes even in other families where witchcraft is practiced, people can hex you. There's a word called hex, but which hex is an English word for curse. So there might be signs which you've been hexed as a white person, you've been hexed as an Indian person, you've been hexed as a colored person, you've been hexed in whatever religion you're in. In every religion there are dark wizards. abantu abaziyo ukuthi izinto zobumnyama zenziwa kanjani. Like I stated before, enye impawu, especially if it's targeted at ukuthi ungashadi, inkosi yami mina amantombazane, uthi usushadile abantu banichitha during umshado or before, bathi cha, angeke ashade. Whether it's a jealous ex, whether it's a family member who's always had envy for you, and izinto ezinjalo njalo, you find ukuthi your relationship just starts being chaotic. Or whenever you get in relationships, they don't last. Your lovers leave you. It can even spread to your friendships. It can even spread to your relationships with family. But it will affect you. They'll begin to feel like you are cursed. You have an auric curse. You have isichitho. This isn't always emotional. Sometimes somebody has done a hex on you to destroy you and destroy your harmony. Ukuthi wena ungabi nokuthula, ukuthi mawuhlangana bakutshele ukuthi wena usashimile namanje. Azi kahle akutshela lokho ukuthi ushime ngenxa yakhe. Isikhohlakala. Wena engikhuluma nawe lapha ekhemereni. Isikhohlakala ukuthi you do this to a family member. Ukuthi you do this to your friend. Uchithe i-love life yakhe, inkosi yami. Umuntu ubheke ambalekele ngenxa yezandla zakhe esikhohlakele. Uquka, uNkulunkulu uyabuya. Sign number 3. Hexes tend to drain you financially. Especially umuntu ofuna ukuchitha emsebenzini, ofuna ukuthi uhlupheke ungabi nalutho. Uzobona ukuthi imali ayibambeki. Money disappears. You have unexpected expenses show up, whether it's a moto, whether it's endlu, whether it's abantwana. Some way, somehow, imali finds a way ukuthi ichitheke. Money is never ever something that you can keep for more than a week. Uma uthola imali ayilasti ivese ichitheke. You receive money, it vanishes. These are all curses that are tied to jealousy, are often targeted at your finances. These are all curses that people that understand African spiritual technology, African magic, use to block your prosperity. So uma nawo ubuka imali uhola nge-25, zithi mazithi 28 bawuseli ngo-400. Hola nge-25, what uyabhajeta, what uyayibamba imali, zithi 1, so selling nge-4 rand e-accountini. Hambo check mkhulu. Zikhona izinto zenhlanhla izakithi, zikhona izinto zemali izakithi, zikhona izinto zokugeza, ezokukulapha, ezokuqinisa izakithi. You don't have to come to Mkhulu Seda. You can go to enye inyanga ukuthi ikusize mayelana lokho, but impawu leyo. Impawu leyo kuphele imali, kuvale ugesi, kuchitheke yonke into. Ugeze ngamanzi abandayo, ufike emsebenzini late, uthole i-final written warning, uthole enye warning, uxoshwe. Bafuna uchitha izinto zakho. Another thing that might point towards that you are under auric curse ukuthi 1, uyagula kodwa mawuya kubo doctor ababoni lutho. Uyagula, inyawo ziyadumba, umqolo uba buhlungu, uphathwa amakhanda. You think hey, I might have a spiritual calling. No, it might not be a spiritual calling. Bagadla. Bakushaya ngemithi nje wena, ithi sikhiphe lento, bakushaya ngemithi. You feel weak, you feel dizzy. Mawufika emsebenzini, wathi nje uyangena emsebenzini, wathi uyahlala, uzwa nje sowuba dizzy, you can't focus. Khona umuntu ofike laphaya, wathi shushushu kancane. Before afika, ngifuna ukuthi angakhona ukusebenza, ayenze ama-mistake. Uma sebenza ebhenki, aclear ama-payment wama-card scammer, axoshwe. Ngifuna ukuthi axoshwe. Ikhohlakali-ke zicabanga kanjalo. The thoughts that you are having are not the thoughts of your enemies. Wahlala ufocusile mkhulu. Wahlala ufocusile. Ungageji, kumele ujule. Kuyajulwa uma uphila emhlabeni uyajula. Doctors can't find nothing when you're sick. But your body knows what your mind doesn't. Umzimba wakho uyakutshela ukuthi we are under attack. I don't know what type of attack, but we are under attack. Uhambile ibhedlela, ungena la, uphuma la, ungena la, uphuma la, kodwa uthola usizo, abodokotela ababoni lutho. The doctors cannot see anything, and you continue with your illness. You continue being sick. That is impawu of being hexed, impawu of being cursed aurically. A foggy mind and a heavy energy. This one is experienced a lot by abantu abadliswa babencane, basasebancane, ukuthi bavale umqondo, ukuthi umntana struggle esikolweni, umntana angayi e-tertiary, or udliswe use-tertiary by that jealous friend of yours. Obonile ukuthi shit, she's killing a course. Man, she is devastating this course. I need to get her, bro, some way, somehow. That friend of yours from Limpopo, hayi ukuthi ngiyangicothela nina lapha eLimpopo, akubhayizisi na ukubhayiziseke ngoba awufocus. So you feel forgetful, you feel drained, you walk into rooms, you feel heaviness, you start avoiding people because you feel like yibo abakusindayo kodwa noma uwedwa, still the signs of energetic interference are still apparent. Something foreign has been attached to you. So if that is the case, what should you do? Should you suspect ukuthi you have been cursed? These are just basic guidelines, but we're to spiritual hygiene. We've covered it thoroughly here on this channel. Sajula mayelana imithi yokuziphindisela, imithi yokusigeza, imithi yokuzivikela. But for those that are just visitors or they are new to the channel or seeing this episode for the very first time, or this is the first episode you're seeing on Kemi TV, these are the guidelines I can give you. Do a spiritual cleanse. Whether you're going to use herbs, whether uzosebenzisa utswayi, uzosebenzisa ne-holy ash, uzoshunqisa impepho, kodwa cleanse yourself. Because if you allow it to go on for too long, a curse will deteriorate your life. This Chito and auric curse will deteriorate your life in whichever way which they have hexed you. It is meant to deteriorate your love life, your financial life, your friendships, your relationship with your family, your physical health, and so on. So, ungahlali wazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi bakugadlile, uhlale uthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyophelelaphi. Ngoba uyobona uyofika la in a condition, or uyofika enyangeni or esangomeni in a condition where it'll be much harder and it will cost you much more ukuthi kulungiswe izinto zakho. Number 2, speak to your ancestors and ask for guidance. Speak to your ancestors and ask for guidance. If it is a fellow family member, ubacele ukuthi madoda phakamani, bogogo phakamani, nidile nomntaneni ngaphambi kokuthi ngithathe inyathelo ejule kakhulu. So speak to your ancestors to reveal who it is, to reveal who it is who is cursing you, whether it's internally in the family or externally. And once you find out or you suspect who the person is, avoid them. But it's not always necessary to retaliate, because an eye for an eye will leave the whole world blind. There are times where you are supposed to take matters into your own hands, but if possible, focus on prosperity, keep your vibration positive. And if kuuguti loyo muntu loyo akafuni ukukuyeka, when you're trying to keep your distance, izake kithi sizomyenza ukuthi aduke nezwe. Number 2, last one, ngicela ukuthi ningithatheleni ikhandlela ningikhulekeleni. Ikhandlela elibovu nekhandlela elimhlophe, nikhulekeni nisho ukuthi ngicela ukuthi konke abakuthumele kimi kubuyele emuva kumnini wabo. This is a return back to the sender. This is a impindamshaye. So you will take a red candle and a white candle and pray. If ufuna ukujula, take a red candle alone. Ulfaki inaliti ezi7. Put 7 needles in it and then ukhuleka ngalo. Ungalicishi lize lincibilike liphele bese uthatha lezo inaliti uyahamba uyozilahla along with the wax. Usho mawukhuleka lokho engitshela ukuthi usho, say ukuthi I am returning the curse, I am returning the negative energy that has been sent to me, and I ask it to multiply 7 times and go back to the sender. Emakhosini. So these would be guidelines that you would follow. Bagwethu, have you experienced being hexed, being cursed? When uke wathakathwa, go into the comment section. Usitshele istory sakho. If you don't mind, you don't have to bring out any names or say who was associated, but break the silence. Ubone ukuthi you're not crazy. It is a warfare out here. Abantu bayayazi imithi. People know black magic. And so wena, if you're going to proceed ahead in your word club, iyophela yonke impumelelo yakho, uyophela umsebenzi, iyochitheka relationship. So wahlala ufocusile mkhulu. You must remember ukuthi there is no curse though that can defeat the internal powers that you possess, like fasting, like meditation. You can overcome any dark magic with that. Umkhulu sayidalo igedla lamashkrishkri. Guys, like, share, subscribe, comment. Ngintanda ngothando kamveli nqa ngithi hosana.